What is going on, traders? Let's go. It is Friday. I am ready to have a good day in the market. I have a feeling today is going to be very mixed, though. So let's see how it goes. But so far today, in pre-market, we've been recovering back up a little bit. Not anything too crazy, though. A lot of stocks are still very close to their lows of yesterday. You can see like Microsoft at open here is really starting to turn over still. So keep your eyes still on these stocks to the downside. There's still some good potential, but I am keeping that one thought in my head that maybe we'll get that pop back up. So just, be a little bit adaptable today. I think it's going to be a little bit more mixed than the past couple days where we just saw more selling go on. So I definitely think it'll be more of a mixed bag here. Like SPY was great yesterday, end of day. We finally got that big move down that we were waiting for, and boom, it came in and ended up being just about perfect there. Appreciate you joining up, Llama, Ant, Jamie, and Nom Nom. Appreciate you guys. What's up, Jamie? Hope your recent vacation was fun. I saw some pictures and stuff. It looked cool. Got Boeing here starting to come up off of $200. It's sitting right at that $199.50 to $200 support. Holding up pretty decent today. Trying to pop back to the upside pretty well. Man, looks pretty good. I like that. Nice pop back up. Hey, what's up, Corbin? I like that. Thompson, that's cool. I got one of them in real life. That's a cool one. That's a cool one. No business trading. What's up? Sean said Palantir, Zom looking pretty good, are they? Zom, so that means energy. What about Oxy then? Of course. British Petroleum, nice. I like Oxy. Oxy and Zom, that is. Those are some pretty decent looking moves. Look at the hourly here. There's a big support at 62.50 on Oxy. Let's see, Zom. Are they on support? Pretty close. Right around 114.50 to 115. I like the oil plays. That could be a good option for today. What about CCJ? Is that recovering? Very nice. Very nice. Gold, maybe? Little bit. Those candles are turning red, though, on the SPY, coming back to the downside here. Definitely not good. I'll tell you guys what, though. I will, I don't think I'd wish this COVID on my worst enemy. It's still around. Today, I feel really good in the head, so that's good. I feel pretty good other than my throat and my lungs. Like, it's just like constant coughing and yakking, and when I say yakking, just, you know, kind of like coughing, but it's still around. I can't believe it. You know, it's been like 5 days now. I thought it'd be gone by now, but nope. Still here. Citigroup, 41.60, bouncing off support. I'm really scared my girlfriend's gonna get it. That's gonna be scary. Yeah, hey, that's funny you said that. I literally just started looking at the banks. Here's Bank of America, Citigroup, JP Morgan. They're starting to fall down a little bit. I like these banks to the downside. Like Bank of America under $28 was one of my plays from last night. I like that. Whoa, Ford in general. Ooh, oh my gosh. Why are they doing that? Mike said Ford and General Motors are moving. Hell yes, they are. What is causing that move? Yes. It's made real progress with Ford and labor talks. Wow. We'll invite Biden to come to picket line. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Don't let him win, Ford. No. I'm just kidding, guys. Wow. He's issued warnings to broaden the walkouts to additional plants if they don't make considerable headway in negotiations. Damn, man. These things are wild, what goes on nowadays, I'll tell you this. Isn't that like collusion? Can't this be like illegal, what they do? I don't know. Tesla coming down. Let's see, Tesla. Definitely. Wow, that's a big drop. Falling down, maybe a 250. I kind of like this as a play down as long as it breaks under 253. Right now, it seems like this wick. It's literally right on the same wick from yesterday. On the same little level here. Support right around 154.20. 254.20, sorry. Lucid, oh, with Tesla down, they must be down. Yeah, they're looking brutal. Poor Lucid. I like them for the, like, how do you guys like Lucid's vehicles? Because, like, I feel like they'll continue to do decent in the longer term, but I don't think they're going to be, like, amazing by any means. But I think that whenever I think of Lucid, though, like, I kind of like their vehicles, right? Like, Lucid vehicles. Let's get a look at a couple of them real quick. I know we have the Lucid Air. Oh, they didn't come out with their SUV yet? Well. Oh, here it is. The Gravity, that's it. It'll be here soon, I guess, but that thing looks pretty cool. Nice, though, Lucid. Let's go look at that watch list today. XPEV is leading the way. Okay. What about Neo and LI? Okay, LI. These stocks had some gaps to the upside, which is interesting. That Ford movement was pretty cool, too. I guess they're getting close on those talks. ARM faked out no business holding. Or no business trading. Let's see. Still holding puts. Wow. It had a good move down since the IPO. Oh, excuse me, guys. It tanked it open, yeah. A lot of these stocks pulled back a little bit, but when I zoom out and I see yesterday, like it tanked down and it's just barely around where it closed yesterday. Kinda. Oh, it is down 1%, I guess, but that's just because it's really volatile. Kind of right in that middle of the range from yesterday still. Maybe it'll bounce here and start to break these supports like 50. If 50 breaks, that could be pretty big. Seems like that's a pretty psychological level, and it's like the low of yesterday too. Interesting on ARM. I'll have to keep my eyes on that $50. I gotta go put an alert there, actually. I'll say that. What happened? ARM breakdown. There we go. Just above 50. Yang yesterday, Yin and Queb. CWEB. I don't think I've heard of that one. Oh, okay. I see. They must have done that on purpose. I like that. That's pretty cool. Yang. Oh. Damn, Bob. These things are nuts. I never even heard of Yang. Huh. I'm not a big China stock guy, so I'm not surprised I haven't heard of them, but interesting. 3x China bear. I like that. Yang. Then Yin. China said it would lift restrictions on investors outside of the country. Oh, wow. That's pretty good, Bob. Yeah, that's really good. Are they good? Is that kind of like what they're talking about, Bob, with the taxes? I remember they've been doing a lot of deregulation news the past few weeks. They talked about taxes a little while ago. BA going down from 2,000. Let's see. BA. That's not bad. Maybe falling under $200. Okay. Wow. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I'm back. Sorry. You know how it is with the coughs. Puts playing now on Tesla. Whoa, Tessie got under the low. Really? Nice, Tesla. Seriously? I'll take it. Is Microsoft still selling too? Hell yeah. Apple? Okay. Meta double bottom on the hourly playing out. Yeah. Wow. That double bottom here. Double bottom on the hourly. Let's see. Oh, okay. I see it. Nice. I've had a support there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Meta's really recovering back. Back above $300. Are you kidding me, Meta? Why couldn't you just reject and do what you needed? Feeling a very bloody day, Mason said. I hope so, Mason. I really do. Watch AMD under 95.60 today. I like that. I think that was my free day trade. Yep. Getting close to that support from yesterday. Feeling a very bloody day. I'm with you, Mason. I'm with you. I kind of felt like it was going to be mixed, but now that I'm seeing a lot of stocks still turning over, yeah, I'm going back to the downside again. Look at Microsoft. It looks like it's going to break. Ah. Okay. Guess it's time to buy more. Yeah, it is. I don't know. Still be a little careful, though. I think today could still be a little mixed. Just keep that in the back of your head. Today's weird. It's a weird day heading into the market. I'll be honest. It's one of those days where it makes me kind of get a little worried, but I'm glad to see the banks moving down still. Look at Bank of America now breaking 28. I like it. I like it. Reversal is real. Yeah, it is. I kind of like it being real too. It's really cool. It's one of the better I like this movement, you know. It's been really fun to trade the past few days. Like SQQQ has been amazing. SPXS too. Man, those two stocks alone have been fantastic. I can't believe it. Damn, this is wild. I'm gonna bring up the 6 charts. I think I gotta see like multiple today, right? I would really like to. Yeah, there we go. I like this. We'll have Apple and what else should we throw on here? I guess Tessie, right? Apple's interesting here. A lot of rejections at this 174.70 area. Keep an eye on the SPY here with Apple. ARM almost 3% today now. Let's see. ARM. Yeah. Hey, I'm not surprised it's going down. Where's all those IPO people at who were buying it up at 70? Uh-oh. Nice. Meta coming back a little bit. Keep in mind, as we fall, there's going to be a lot of green days mixed in, so if we truly do fall. I have puts on it. Nice, Carlo. I know someone who loaded up at 61 on ARM. Let's see. That's pretty damn high, Mason. That must have been like right when they IPO'd or something. Yeah, I don't ever get in IPOs like that anymore. ARM people hating life right now sympathize? I mean, I sympathize for them, but still though, I still think that they shouldn't have bought it at the end of the day. He's getting shot right now, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I sympathize though, for sure. I've had a few bad situations with that. Back in the day, myself. What was the one? I think I got in on one like Snapchat. I think we talked about this a couple days ago or a couple weeks ago. I got in on the Snapchat IPO and man, I learned my lesson there. I didn't get in on Uber's IPO, but I watched it crash and burn from the sidelines. Same thing with DoorDash. That's another one. Well, I guess their IPO went alright, but overall not very good. I did Coinbase. Oh, wow. Got wrecked on that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a crazy one. I remember we saw some that did pretty good on their IPOs, but man, Coinbase, that's a rough one. Yeah, and they were one of the like very popular ones. I think that like whenever they came on the market, they put ARM to shame as far as popularity. I believe. I'm not 100%, but there was one that went up hellas. Snow's IPO. Let's see them. Snow. Oh, they'll go up hellas sometimes, but I'll be honest, you might never hear me say hella again besides that one time. But yeah, I mean, they went up pretty good. Sometimes they do, but the majority, oh boy. If you chase those forever, you're gonna get hurt. Hurt. No did pretty good. I'm sure there's a few that went up a lot on IPO day, right? Huh. Last IPO I bought was Baba. What? When the hell was that an IPO? 2015? Sheesh. That one did pretty good after the initial drop. And then bad. On a long-term basis, it's like at the same price now it IPO'd. That's pretty funny. If you guys want Baba at the same price they came on the market, here you go. If you trust China, that is, I guess. Hella lights. How'd you guys like that chili last night? I know a lot of... if you guys have me on Snapchat, a lot of you guys were like, what the hell? Coke in the chili. But I'm telling you guys, that is like a... it's like a secret. Somebody said that's like an Italian grandma's secret recipe. That had me laughing. Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, I swear, like if you're making chili, have you ever heard of people saying to put like sugar in chili or anything like that? Skip the sugar and just put like half a bottle of Coke right into the chili. I'm not kidding. Right in there. It is amazing. It's amazing. It doesn't do what you would think it does. It really adds. It adds to that chili in a huge way. But yeah, I made that and it was fire yesterday. I had like 2 bowls of it. One bowl at like 6 p.m. and then another bowl at 2 a.m. when I woke up. I woke up and saw I saw Manny and a whole bunch of people were still up in the chat. I was like, holy shit, you guys are still awake? Excuse me, guys. No, it's not, Mason. It's not. I swear. Here, let's see what it says. Coke and chili. Yeah, here we go. Coca-Cola chili. I swear, though, it's not sweet or anything. My chili's still really spicy, even though I put Coke in it. I promise that. Come on, QQQ, let's go. I want to see Citigroup continue lower. Bank of America. Here we go. Bank of America might break the low of day here. I like this with the banks. They're looking pretty bearish today. It's down under 28 in a good way. Manny's probably sleeping. He was up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and 2 a.m. He was up all day and night. He didn't sleep. Man, it's getting hard to talk. There we go. Mason's growing spicy peppers. I like it. I saw people cook chicken with Coke. Wow. I've never seen that one. But I'm not very surprised since I see the chili thing now. Come on, Spy. Let's go. I want to see a bigger breakdown like with QQQ and Spy, but this isn't coming right here. QQQ needs to reject at 360 pretty hard. Come on, QQQ. Ooh, Sniper Bot just called out a free play, guys. Go check it out. Go check it out. Yeah, Sue's on top of it. There we go. Cornish manifested the bot play, yeah. Come on, Baba. Big gap up. Honestly, guys, this looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. This play looks, you know, it could fake out, but this thing looks fire. Oh, there, it's already going. Come on, Baba, get up there. Break 88.20 for us. To the moon, Mason. Yes, sir. To the moon. Brought the A game today. I'm at home. Beautiful, Sean. Beautiful. Gets to sit at home and have a nice trading day. That's awesome. Hey, Sean, do you still play? Is your golf league still going on, or did that end? I didn't think about that. That means that the other day you were at golf with Powell. This background music's perfect right now for watching Baba. Let's zoom in on Baba, make it even like crazier looking, right? And I jinxed it. Yeah. Maybe this next one will be good. You never know. Whoa, the song that's playing right now on here has some of the most views on the video, apparently, so. Yeah, that chili's doing a good job of semi-curing COVID, Sean. The thing is, like, right now, I feel great as far as, like, fever goes and my head goes and all of that. I feel awesome. I feel really bad, though, as far as, like, my throat and my lungs feel. That's what's bad feeling now. The first couple days, I just felt real bad, like, in the head and the sinuses. Now it's just all the throat and the lungs. I couldn't sleep last night either. Sucked. I'll probably have to take a nap today. I only got like 3 hours of sleep. A little weed should help. You know what? I might have to go get a might have to go to that dispensary, Pootie. You never know. I'm just kidding. Or am I? N-phase tanking too. Let's see. N-phase, really? I was hoping they'd go up. Oh. Man. N-phase looked like it was going to start recovering. I played Sunday and broke my wedge. Sean! It was over a while back because we suck. I broke my wedge. How'd you do it though, Sean? Did you break it? Did you break it by like slamming it on the ground, or how did you break it? What the? I know it had to have been on purpose. It had to have been on purpose, right? I hate the bots. I've never had good luck, Corbin said. Aw, Corbin. I know, it's because you pick and choose the plays, probably. Really comes down to managing that risk. Managing that loss with them. Come on, Baba. Come on, Baba. High of day broken. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a bigger move. Come on. I love this setup right here. Come on, Baba. Let's go. How do you risk management? Yeah, I mean, essentially, Corbin, you know, it comes down to really feeling things out in the longer run. But like a simple idea would be, for example, like I'm looking at Baba right here, right? So like it's simple. Like if we get under this support, I'm out of the play. You know, that would be like how I would play this one, for example. That's how you should do that, in my opinion. Now, you also use percentages like 25, 30%. Like obviously, like if down to here is like a, you know, 60% drop, then don't do that. But you know, if it's a normaler type of move, then you could use this as a great support level, and then, you know, you just cut like if that breaks, for example, or if we're into puts, then it would be the same thing but the opposite way. You know, but you're gonna have to kind of get some type of strategy going, like where you're having a certain stop loss at a certain area at a certain percentage, and then you can move it around a little bit. Like if you're trading something like Tesla that's super volatile, you know, you might want to extend your stop out a little bit, maybe 25 to 30%. And then also on other stocks, like let's say it's like Microsoft, right? Maybe not quite as volatile as Tesla. Maybe something like this, you would keep it like a 20% stop or something, you know, and it's going to depend on the movement and how close stock is to support. And then you look at the options chain and you say, well, the option will probably be to this level whenever the stock breaks support, and then you could put your stop there. Different stuff like that is what I would say. Let's say ASAP, the call out, enter no matter what. Then if it goes down 20%, sell if it goes up 40%. Yeah. I mean, essentially, Corbin, yeah. That's like essentially the thing, except like, I think just sticking to 20 and 40% is a disservice to yourself. But that's kind of the idea, yeah. And whenever you're selling and the stock's running up, like you don't just want to get out at like 40% because you really want to try to let those runners go. But when it's a loser, keep your stop there. Don't start extending your stops out too much. You know, like never go past 30%. And then also at the same time, you know, like you shouldn't really be trading with more than like 10% to 20% of your account into one trade at a time anyways. So you got to think about position sizing as well. That's also going to be another humongous point to watch for, is you really have to watch position sizing. Like if you have a $500 account, and now I'm not saying you do, but I'm just saying like if you do, that would be like a, you know, you shouldn't be trading the bot with that type of account. That's not very good, you know, because a lot of the bot plays cost 500 and then you're putting your whole account in there. Even if it's like let's say your account's like $2,500, right? In reality, you shouldn't really be playing like a $500 option. Like you shouldn't be playing more than like $250 worth of options with that account, because that would be 10%, would be $250 of $2,500. So I'm not surprised, Pooty. But see, that's why I'm telling other people it's not smart. But yeah, I like it, Pooty. Pretty good. But yeah, position sizing, very important too. Yeah, Baba ran up nice, right up into my resistance, 88.50. I like it. 88.50. I've had that level marked here, but I'd love to see Baba get higher than this today. I mean, I'd love to see a bigger move. I'm just not sure we will. Maybe look to cut like like, let's say you have 5 contracts, maybe look to cut a couple here, 1 to 2. If you got in at a good time, you know, that is. Come on, let's go, Baba. 88.50. My goal is to make 12.50 by the end of the year. Nice, Corbin. That's probably a good goal, you know? Not going too crazy. Not going too little. I like that. That's probably pretty respectable. Let's see X, US Steel. Starting to do pretty good today. I always keep an eye on these when I see energy stocks going. I saw Zom and Oxy doing good today, so I figured X would be doing pretty good too. I like Baba, but I don't think I can watch it at this resistance. It's scaring me. Come on, Baba, get up through here. I'm gonna create an alert here. What? No, I don't want to. There we go. There we go. I fixed it. Let's bring up our watch list again. What do we have at the top? Oh, wow. U. Whoa. Whoa. I like that. U and CCJ. Look at the daily chart of CCJ coming back insanely strong. Wow. I was watching them a little bit at open, and now they really blasted today. That's pretty cool. I know Tangi's going to be happy with UEC today. Yeah. Uranium Energy Corp. Holy shit. Tangi. Hey, guys, I gotta sit here and I gotta give our guy in the chat, Tangi Man, a round of applause, guys. We got to. Man, Tangi Man has been talking about UEC selling tons of covered... so I can't think with COVID, I'm sorry. Selling tons of cash secure puts down here around like $2.50 and $3 and $3.50. Man, this stock has been on fire, Tangi Man. I hope you're in here to hear it, because, man, you, what a good day for Tangi. Or what a good trade by Tangi. He's probably not even in here, but good shit, Tangi. Everybody go at Tangi in the discussion and say, great UEC trades. You know, because a lot of people, they don't like to share their thoughts on trades or on stocks or etc. He was one of the members that would always talk about, you know, his trades, and UEC is one of them. So, Tangi Man, shout out to you. You know, not everybody does that. Sorry, Sue, I missed your question earlier, by the way. Do you recommend just trying every play that comes from the bot and establishing a stop loss, then just let the trade work? Yeah. I mean, I would say that, Sue, always just establish a stop loss and then just start letting the trade go. Now, I'm not saying to, like, let it go forever. There's always some type of skill that comes into play with exiting positions and stuff. And I think that the emotional distress of trying to exit a play correctly gives traders, you know, gives them fits in a way. You know, it's very difficult, right, to exit at a perfect time. And a lot of that comes down to charting, you know, seeing like where big resistances are, where you think the stock's going to hit and then start going back down, stuff like that. And a lot of people in the beginning will think that they know like where this stock's going or where it's going to hit, but in reality they don't, you know, and in reality nobody really does. But you can make a lot of good inferences, and the longer you do it, the more you can kind of feel out sometimes like how to hold a little bit longer and stuff. And to kind of add on to that, Sue, I'll say this, like as you start to exit, start also implementing like scaling out type of strategies and stuff. That way you can let your winners run a little bit more. So like if you enter the bot play, you know, throw that stop loss at like 20, 25, 30%. I wouldn't really go over 30% unless you're reducing position sizing. Then you could go over 30%, but then you'd have to start reducing your position sizing down so that it wasn't a big risk to your account. But that's kind of what I would do, is kind of look to scale out a little bit after you have that stop loss in. You know, maybe have a scaling out strategy like 25%, 40%, 60%, stuff like that. If you get like 2 or 3 contracts, maybe you could do like let go of one at 25 to 30, let go of the other one at 40 to 50, or the other two. But it really just depends, because if you have like a really good day and you can identify good momentum, like we go look at SPY the past few days and weeks, you know, we get that good movement to the downside. Like if you're identifying some good momentum and some clean like support breaks and stuff, then you can let the plays go a little longer. Like you don't always have to exit right on your 40% target. That's where I think the targets when you're selling, as long as you're paying attention to the trades, it's always good to be able to exit right there. But I will say though, like if you're working and you're trying to manage it, then setting something up might be best. And sometimes trailing stocks could even be good, but they're hard to set up when you're new. Chop, 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 Mike Doe said. SPY, yeah. Just chopping around here. Come on, don't do that, QQQ. Yeah, no problem, Sue, for sure. Yeah, good questions. I appreciate you asking them. I'm sure those questions even help other people too, which is cool. Baba. Yeah, you know, we forgot to check in on it again. Yeah, still rejecting on our resistance, guys. That resistance is a little worrying, but I think we could still get through there today. Kind of pulling back into our support range here at 88. Pretty good. Man, sorry for going quiet, guys. I gotta keep going quiet for like 5 seconds. See, I'm muting the mic so you guys can't hear me coughing. A break below 432 is ideal on the SPY. Let's see. Yeah, that would be pretty big today. I would agree with that, yeah. I like that little level there. Or little level, big level, I guess. I like these wicks that extend down there, kind of touching around that 432 area. Pretty good. Oh, gosh. Take a look at Meta. Let's see. META. Baba. Oh, shit. What'd Baba do? Nice, Baba. There's that support. 88. Yes. There we go, Baba. Yes. Yes, Baba. What a move there. Up above 88.50, almost hitting up to 89 now. Beautiful move. I like that intraday support we just plotted. I'm glad it held. Wow, that was cool. That was a quick candle there to see. Yeah, that was pretty good, guys. I gotta say, this one's pretty fire looking here. Baba. Good breakout. Time for another trim. 88.80. See that hourly chart. Okay. So there is some pretty major resistance coming up here where we're getting to. So just want to let you guys know that like 89 is pretty hard here. It would be sick if we got to 90, but oof, I don't know about that. 89 is going to be hard to break, I think, but oh, wow. Come on, give us a retest of 88.80. Come on. At least retest the high here. Well, I would start trimming at least a couple. No business. I still think it's a hold, but I would trim at least like let's say you have 3 contracts, I would cut 1 or 2 and then hold 1. No, I'll never hold him past today, Pooty, but that's pretty good. Hey, Pooty, hang on. Pooty, are you Putris in the Discord? Do you have the same profile picture? I think it's the same. It's hard for me to see these little pictures on the YouTube one, but nice. Okay. Looking pretty good. But yeah, I wouldn't hold it past today though, but if you're out of day trades, I don't know, it might be okay. 50. 50 contracts. Nice. That's a pretty good one on that one. I'll give you that. Not bad. I doubt it'll dip much. Yeah, see, the problem with Baba is that all of its big moves usually happen like in pre-market and after hours and stuff. Like this morning, like it gapped up. Of course it's moving now, but like look at how much more it moved during that gap, right? And you can go look at tons of examples like right here. Like look at this, like You would go to bed one day, Baba's green. You wake up the next day, Baba crashed down. Same thing the next day, green and then crash down. Crash down here in pre-market, pre-market crash, pre-market crash, pre-market crash, pre-market crash, pre-market crash. I think we're finding a trend here. Baba likes to move in pre-market, so it's pretty. It makes sense because, you know, they're on the Chinese market, but it makes it pretty hard to trade at the end of the day, especially if you're swinging it. But I think you'll be okay in this case. But China has some good news going on, so maybe it'll start to come back a little bit. What was that China news again? Somebody said it at the beginning of the stream, I think. Yeah, Bob did. He said China said it would lift restrictions on investors outside of the country. That's pretty big. Sue said lesson, don't swing. Yeah, I mean, you know, in reality, you don't really want to swing too many options, especially shorter expirations like Baba's is. Yeah, like, I would never swing these, Sue. Like, ever. Like, these bot plays are meant to be bought and sold in the same day. They're never meant to be held. Ever. Sometimes you can get away with it, but you gotta really have a good setup going on. You can't, with these short-term expirations, I mean, you'll be playing with fire. Especially if you're going in a little bit risky on them. Okay, yeah, see, like Pootie's only has 178 on the line. That's not bad, you know, that's not a bad amount at all, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, exactly. And since we're so close to expiration, it just causes it to decay quicker and quicker and quicker. Looking at Baba here, man. 88.80. Still rejecting. Has that lower high going on. Yeah, time. I would say it's time for a bigger trim, probably. Let's see, where's was it no business? Yeah, 50 contracts. Probably time for a bigger cut here. Share the book map for Google, someone asked. I'll pull it up on here. I probably need to put Google on this, but no one's ever asked about them before. Let's go see how AMD looks around this support. Wow, 95 is huge here. Come on, Google, come here. I gotta show you to Pat's. All right, there we go, though. All right, Baba. Now, that would be sick if Baba held right here. This would be a good support hit. If we did start staircasing back up here, that would be perfect. I mean, this would be exactly what you want to see. Hang on. Nice, he trimmed all but 10. That's great, no business. I like that. I like that. I think you trimmed at a good time. I'm down to half my original position on Baba and set a stop above my cost basis for the rest. Good shit, Sue. That's how you do it. Now you're in the driver's seat today, and you can just have fun now with the second half of that position, right? That's awesome. I love to hear that. That puts you right in the driver's seat. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. SQQQ no drip said. Ah, that's not good, no drip. I need SQQQ to go higher. Damn it. Spy's moving up. DraftKings, someone asked in Discord about it. Penn too? Wow, Penn's doing bad? That's not good. Can't see Penn doing bad. Damn it, Penn. Man, DraftKings. I feel bad, but I see this thing getting like 20 to 22. So if you're holding it, be a little careful. What's your opinion of Netflix? It looks to be on a negative trend for a few days. Let's see. NFLX. Haha. Still holding a loss on for significant position because I've been out for a few days. Oh, I see. I see. So NFLX. It's definitely on a bigger downtrend right here. You see that 5-minute chart? It's starting to get really choppy to the downside. We're under 400. Go to an hourly chart. My opinion is that this stock's going to keep going down. That's my opinion. Now, in the short term, it could always pop up like on one specific day. It could go up. But I think that overall, over the next few weeks, this one will be down. Maybe to like 370. That would be a pretty cool support to test. 380 is pretty big though, so maybe watch that area, but I kind of see it down. You're right though. I mean, it is pretty... This is a weird one. Well, I mean, it's been consistently kind of going down with the SPY, and man, it seems like it's got to have some green coming in, right? I mean, at least for a couple days. I would think definitely a couple days of green here soon, given how much it's down in the short term. And then more selling. Then more selling. So I'm thinking like over the next couple weeks, more selling overall. But I think it'll just be kind of right here. I think it'll probably consolidate and start to go back up a little. Book map on the SPY. Hey, I guess I'll give it to you. Lost 10K on it so far. Oh, wow. That's a pretty big one. DXY is coming down from highs, and so are bond yields. I mean, not really, though. It's only one day. Yeah, it's only one day, Sue. This isn't coming down, really. I guess a little bit. Now, I'll say TNX really looks bad. This thing's just going higher and higher and higher. I hope they come down, though. I hope. DXY is a tough one right now because, I mean, I expect it to kind of keep going higher. This is a little bit strange, but if you guys haven't looked into the dollar a lot, it's a little bit weird how different political parties want the dollar to do different things. Like, for example, Democrats, they generally want a higher dollar. Republicans generally want a lower dollar. So there's a big discrepancy there. And, like, look at while Trump was president, you know, the dollar was flat to down. Very flat. The second Trump's gone, dollar's shooting. Same thing during Obama's presidency, right? That dollar started really going over that time. There's some reasons for this. It has to do with trade. It has to do with negotiations. It has to do with pleasing other countries. It has to do with maybe like weakening our trade so that other countries can kind of take advantage of us a little bit more. You know, there's a bunch of reasons why the dollar is so highly thought after by these political parties. I'm not trying to say I pick one side or the other, but what do you say? Orange man. Oh, orange man. I didn't know what the hell you typed at first. But yeah, the chart just looks so bullish right now. It's like, man, I want it to go lower, but or just stay like around here. But I don't think that's gonna happen for another year. Next year will be fun in November, I have a feeling. It's gonna be a weird November. I always like election years, don't you guys? Like, I know a lot of people are probably going to say, I hate election years. Well, I'll be honest. I think they're just very fun, very interesting. Like, you know, they call it the circus for a reason, right? It keeps people entertained too, in a way. These elections do. They're pretty entertaining. I can't lie. Like, I gotta see some debate where, like, Joe Biden, like, can't talk, or, like, you know, something funny go. You know, I just want to see some funny shit. You know, that would be pretty cool. Joey B knows too. Yeah. Tessie, come on. Baba? Baba started trying to rip back and started consolidating a little bit more. Come on, Baba. Get through here. If this ends up being like the lower high, that would be kind of rough. I told him there were 3 branches. Like a sir. That's pretty funny, Sue. I like that. You didn't even know, but he understood. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking of. The wisdom of a child, yeah. Something like that. Sue, did you know I'm actually having a kid? I know, I think you're newer around here, aren't you? If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, by the way. Appreciate you guys. But, yeah, I'm having a little girl coming up here soon, so that'll be good. Due date is December 4th. We're getting closer and closer. Hey, appreciate that. I know a lot of people already know, but I just, yeah. Yeah, no problem, Sue. That's awesome. Some people are probably tired of hearing about it. I know. Come on, Boeing. Rejecting under 200. I like this play. Boeing might be a fun play to the downside here. This is cool. Look, you could maybe draw out a little wedge play, too. A little wedgy wedge here. Something like this going. As long as we stay under $200, I think this is a viable play here. Solid risk reward. If this ends up having a big move, you guys would be so happy with puts here, but it's down so much the past few weeks. It's hard to continue to buy puts when it's down this much, but if it breaks this wedge pretty good to the downside, that might be a good indicator, a good entry point. Put that stop loss right above 200. I'm liking it. All right, Baba, still consolidating. I'm glad you guys did good on a lot of these Baba plays here today, or the Baba plays. That's awesome to hear. Especially after yesterday, you know, the bot play is not going to win every time, but, you know, it's, you know, me and Mike are always laughing because it's always funny how one play goes bad and everyone's like in the chat, like, you know, like semi-hating on it. And then the play does good. Everyone's in there loving it. It's like, man, like, You guys got to get some better mindsets going, you know? Some of you. I always feel bad whenever I hear someone will say, like yesterday, somebody in the chat, they said, I lost my whole account. I think their name was Sky. I think it was. They said, I lost my whole account today on Tesla. I'm like, your whole account? Like, number one, that position sizing is too big. Number two, if the position sizing isn't too big, you shouldn't be trading Tesla because it was too expensive for your account. Number three, where was the stop loss? Yeah, so there are 3 big points there that were missed, but sometimes I hear that and I just feel so terrible. I'm like, man, like, why? Like, I'm like, wow, like, that's not how that's meant to be played, you know? It's like, people should know better than to do that, right? Nice shit, no drip. I love that. 90, holding the shares still, okay. That's pretty good, no drip. How long have you been holding those for? That's interesting. Yeah, I'm with you, Sean. Instant gratification. So you said Baba's acting like everything I've tried this year pops a little, then stalls. Did you not take any profits here, Sue? Oh no, you took half, right? That's good. Nice. She said she just sold it. Okay. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. That's good. Nice. You know, that's a pretty decent run here by Baba from where it was called out. That's a pretty decent little pop up to that high, so as far as a scalp goes, but I know it's not something that's going to go up probably 500% today, but okay, 825 for no drip. That's good. That's good. I thought maybe you meant you've been bag holding it for even longer than that, but that's good. All right, well, I'll say this, guys. The market's been pretty choppy today. Besides for the Baba play, I haven't really liked a lot of the movement out there. QQQ, AMD, Nvidia. Of course, I was looking for all these stocks to fall. Look at the day trading channel. I actually called out AMD to the upside over 97.70. It's starting to kind of break out here. If it starts to get a bigger run above the high of day, AMD might be a decent stock for a recovery move. So keep an eye on it. I think this could be a play that's being slept on a little bit here. Maybe as it recovers back to 100, that could be a good idea. What's up, Donna? Do I think UVXY is a good buy? Yeah, I think UVXY is a good buy. It depends, you know, how much time you get, when you get it, all of that. But I think it's a good buy generally for the next few weeks. If you're looking to buy and hold it for a few weeks, I would look to maybe go out to like the November expiration. If you could, that way you could hold it to like October 20th and feel good about it. You don't want to have an expiration in October though, and then hold it for a couple weeks, because then, ooh, that would eat you alive with theta. But yeah, Sue, of course we did. Of course. Mainly Mike programmed those though. I gotta say that, Sue. Mike is the big coder. Mike's a big coder. I kind of more of came up with the idea of starting the Discord, and then Mike is like a good coder, and he like is really good at like implementing and getting like the bots where they need to be, coding up, you know, things to add to the Discord, stuff like that. Yeah, Mike is very, very smart when it comes to coding and computers and all that stuff. Hunter too. I got to give Hunter some credit there too. He's a great coder as well. Hunter coded up the dashboard, if you guys haven't seen that. StockedUp dashboard. It's actually awesome. Hey, I'm actually going to do this right here. You guys will like this. Yeah, you guys are going to love this. So I know a lot of you have already tried this out, but here's a 7-day free trial. If you follow the link I just sent in the chat, I can get you a 7-day free trial for our dashboard. If you click that, excuse me. If you click that, it'll bring you to this page. You can click start now for free, and then you just enter your name and your email and just wait, you know, a couple hours or till the end of the day. Hunter or Mike will add you in, and then you can start using the dashboard for free for 7 days. No credit card needed or anything. Just check out that link. Check it out. Of course, then you could buy the dashboard after that if you wanted. Let me go ahead and see what the price is on that again. Hang on. That's the wrong one. I see what I'm doing wrong. It's the wrong link. It's the right link for what you guys are thinking, but... Okay, so it's $30 a month. So it's not bad. Not bad. Pretty cheap compared to everything else, so... It is more of just for looking for stocks for the longer term, though. You know, it shows you stuff about each company. It tells you about their cash flow. You can plot it all on the chart. Let's actually pull it up. It's pretty cool. So like right here, you can see the net income, the revenue, and you can click this arrow and you can change all of the data points. You can look at the EBITDA, their total debt, their total assets, their free cash flow, weighted shares, interest expenses, gross profit ratios, net income ratios. There's a lot of stuff on here. You can look at big news for them too. It'll show you all the news. Statements, it's the financial statements. It goes back in history a lot, so you can kind of compare the company year over year over year. Technical analysis dashboard, it kind of shows you some SMAs on the charts. Has a 50 and a 200 on there. I wish it had a 100, but I won't complain. Calculator, you can do the calculators for growth. You can input how much revenue growth you think. Or you can look at your annual return, and then it'll, you know, you can kind of start playing with these numbers and look. There's a bunch of ratios, like the Ben Graham ratio, I believe they call it. Analyst, smart money. It's pretty cool. 7-day free trial. Check it out with that link. I do got to end the stream, though. I'll say this. It's been very... Oh, God. As I say that. Very hard to talk today. Wow. Yeah, the throat is wild today, guys, but appreciate you. No, Sue. No. That's Stat Modeling does the access to the bot plays. The dashboard's totally different. That's why they're different product names and stuff. If you go onto our Discord, there's actually a products tab. You can click that and start scrolling up, and you can scroll through all of our products. Also on our website here, I'll show you real quick. At the top of the screen, there's a products tab. You click that, and it gives you all the products right here. They're all individual things. So obviously the accurate option swing and day trade alerts, you click that. It takes you to statistical modeling. That's the product for like the bot plays and all of the premium Discord channels. Custom coded stock algo is for trading view. It's what gives me this stuff right here, where it gives me today's move, percent rise, average percent green days. There's also some other stuff people like the prediction cloud, or overbought and oversold labels, or likely labels, stuff like that you can change, and it'll show you on the chart more things. Let's see if I can get the overbought and oversold. There you go. Now it's a little weird because I'm on a 1 minute chart, but like you go to like an hourly, this starts to look a little bit better. And you can adjust it like confidence level 0, right? So it'll show me a whole lot, or you could do 2. Once it loads, you'll see it change. So on 2, nothing comes up, so we'll change it to 1. 1's probably a happy medium. There we go. At least for on the hourly. Let's go to a daily, see what it said. There we go. See, so 1 on the daily is a little bit better. You can play around with it a little bit. Probably take that off. Let's see the prediction clouds. We'll do that one. Pretty cool. It kind of gives you a cloud showing like where it thinks the market's going to go. And it'll kind of point you in that direction. Kind of neat. Yeah, no problem, Sue. I appreciate you. Thanks for asking about it. Then we have some courses, you know, intro to options, advanced options, intro to stocks. If you guys are looking for some education, shoot me a private message on Discord. I can get you guys some pretty good discounts on some of these too. So keep that in mind if you want to shoot me a message on there. You have to use my link though for the discounts to work on these. But if you are looking for the bot plays by chance, I'll throw a link out in the chat here. You guys will enjoy that. Obviously, that's where the sniper bot calls out, hybrid bot. And then we have a bunch of other channels in there too. So appreciate you guys joining up today though. It's been a fun day today. Appreciate you. Hope you guys have a profitable end of the week here. And I hope you guys can go into the weekend with a nice smile on your face. You know, I know yesterday's bot play didn't do too well, but today Baba's been pretty fire. So let's go. It's been a good day overall. And other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Just so you guys know, I'll probably be taking a 30-minute to an hour-long nap here. I am dying, so I probably won't be around too much in the Discord for about an hour, but I will be there after that. So appreciate you guys. Have a good one. Thank you to everybody out there, even the lurkers. Appreciate all you.